officially say that affiliate websites are officially dead. There's no mention of that website. As you can see here, Google also claims that AI search delivers quality clicks despite traffic loss. This organic traffic, that means more cost per click, and is to rank in Google AI search. A lot has happened last week in the Google's I/O event, and they have launched the AI mode to all US searchers with added new features like deep search, complex analysis, data visualization, and so on. So we are not going to talk about all the features out there, but we will talk about the changes it's going to impact on websites in terms of organic traffic, in terms of affiliate sites, and things going on. And with the implementation of AI search mode in the US, and I'm pretty sure it's going to happen in the rest of the world in coming months, I can officially say that affiliate websites are officially dead. Why I'm saying so, you will find out in this particular episode. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do press that subscribe button. It will help us to create more and more episodes just like this. Okay, so I will break down into 5 parts, from the content sites to the local search. So let's move forward to the first, which is about the affiliate sites, which is, I think, maybe your favorite subject here. For example, here what I have searched is best lawn mower. Here you can see all the pics. So basically it summarized 12 to 20 websites from the search engine, from the Google search engine, and summarize that into this particular chart. So it tells you everything about the best lawn mower. As you can see, top overall picks. The only problem here is affiliate links, and if you click on this website, which is the first one, as you can see, it's very standard affiliate landing page, and it has its own review metrics and provided everything. And if you see on the check price at Amazon CA, and as you can see, it has a tag with it. That means it is sponsored content. If you go down, you will find the links just like this. So it's a product snippets link from its search engine. So AI search mode is going on here is it will fetch all the details about the product and getting all the information which is best one and putting their product snippets in it. So it doesn't have any affiliate links from the website it has taken from. This is why the affiliate sites are going to be gone forever, just because of this. Because I really wanted, as an affiliate that spent hours and days of time to create this particular article, if I'm sharing my information, they deserve a link from affiliate sponsored box. But it doesn't work like that now. It just shows product snippets from the Google, just straight from there. And as you can see here, people just go on here and just click on it and go and buy that as well. So this is something which I wanted to convey here. And similarly, this is also happening in ChatGPT as well. If I go to ChatGPT here, type this particular keyword and click on the search the web and press enter, and as you can see here, it will start searching the web and it will provide all the best lawnmower listing, and there you go. So it has provided all the product snippets, but only the thing is it don't add any affiliate links from the sources. So every product it has listed is from the source, and they have not listed affiliate link from the source, which is heartbreaking, because all the efforts that particular website put in, they are getting all the credit here. Anyways, so this is about the product sites. But if we talk about the digital products, for example, SEMrush here, for example, RackMath here, it provided all the information about this SEMrush, pros, cons, and who is SEMrush for, and the overall verdict. They have added the little links here. You can write on the right, you can find all the links as you usually do. The thing is, now here what I find is, if you search for this keyword in the Google, as you can see, the first link you will find is of Reddit. But here the ranking system of AI search mode is different. So this is the first link that it displayed is about SEMrush review. It's about elegant themes. And if you go here, Reddit, that's perfectly fine. But if we go to any affiliate website, this first affiliate website that's ranking for this keyword is selfmademillennials.com, and they have spent so many time building backlinks for this and optimizing this page and going to the number one. But if AI search mode is on, then elegant themes are taking every credits out of it. So if you go here and just click on it, this is just very standard, very basic review here. But if you go here, that posted by the self-made millionaires, it's actually very extended version of the review. So this website included their personal experience that we all bloat about EEAT and stuff, but it doesn't get any credit. So even if we go down here, for example, from the pros, there's no mention of that website. As you can see here, there's a link from the exploding topics, backlink, and even if you go into the cons here, there's no mention of that particular website. That means it's only listing the authority websites like Backlinko, Exploding Topic, Elegant Theme, which is the branded website. They have their own selling points or they have their own products or services, but the contents website, there are no mention of it. So I think the affiliate website is going to be gone forever if things goes like this. So this is about the affiliates website, just like this. So key takeaways from this is focus on branding rather than building on the niche website. Build a brand, go to social media, spread out the word, build a product, build the services, and create the content on top of it. But the few positive here is about the visibility. If you're ranking beyond first 10 results in the Google, there's a high chance you may be ranking on these snippets. So few positive, more negative. As Google also claims that AI search delivers quality clicks despite traffic loss. So discoverability will be on higher end. Going to the last, which is about the local SEO. The only industry that is not affected by this AI mode is the local businesses, because if I search dentist near New York or something like that, so it will kick off with 51 businesses. If you click on this here, so it will take all these snippets from the local businesses, or I would say Google business profile, and it will list down everything here. The same thing is happening here about the ranking system. Very different, because as you can see, the number one ranking on this is the Exchange Dental Group, but on here it's 209 NYC Dental. If we go to the reviews of this, they also have a good reviews. The rating is 4.8 rather than 4.9. So this is the key takeaway for all the local SEO out there. Focus on getting more reviews. All you need to do is whoever coming onto the office, give them a special treatment they want or they expected, and encourage them to give a review or a 5-star rating, and define what they like and put it more words in the reviews, not just a 5-star rating, but more detailed review what they like about your business. Either it's ambience, either it's services or the product, they need to type that out. So this is all about the AI search mode, and I hope you get how it's going to change all the ecosystem of the search engine optimization. So that's it about the AI search mode. So let's move on to the next update. So next update is coming from the Google Ads. So if you are into PPC with the AI search mode implementation, and Google also considering to add advertisement opportunities in their AI search, and they are already done with the AI overviews. With this, less organic traffic, that means more cost per click. And as you can see, their Google Ads are rise again, but the conversions is also improving. That's another positive. But the CPC, cost per click, is rising. So if you go to this report, I will put that link in the description box. It's from the search benchmarks. There you can see all the click-through rates, cost per clicks, conversion rates, and cost per lead. So cost per lead in animal and pets is about $31, and the most expensive is in the attorney and legal. For the office, it's about $131, and the list goes on. You can check this particular report. It's actually pretty interesting, because on year to year there is a 10 to 15% rise of cost per click, which is pretty standard if we talk about the inflation here. So with the AI search mode, it will going to skyrocket that in upcoming months. This is what I predict. Forward to the next update is John Mueller, head search of Google, share top ways to rank in Google AI search. So if you see on this particular article, I will put the link in the description. All the details are pretty standard. You may be as an SEO practitioner, you may be following this. So let me brief that, because it's not extraordinary about anything. Just let me give you an overview. First is it's about creating a valuable content not what Google wants, what people wants, right? And there is a good experience called web vitals. Then ensure we can access your content, obviously the usability of your website with the schema and all the technical requirements for the Google search. So there, next will be the manage visibility. For example, if you want AI to add snippets from your site, then you need to input the max snippets option. Next is make sure structured data, which I have already talked about. And then next, go beyond text for multimodal success. So this is something which you need to focus on. This is all the main points of this particular article is. So Google suggesting is they are moving forward to the multimodal search. That means user can upload your pic, take a snap wherever they are, and search related to that particular snap or pics. So we evolved from text-based search to the voice-based search, and now it's all about the multimodal search. That means it involves images, videos in the future. So how to be future ready is by utilizing or embedding more images, videos into your content and personalizing your content, your views, your expertise in that. That's way you can get more control or more clicks to your website. So this is the only takeaways I got from this particular article. Next is understand the full value of your visit. So you can put the analytics in there and you can see when people click to a website from the search result, those clicks are higher quality as per Google, so where users are more likely to spend more time on your website. They are saying is you need to optimize that particular click for your own monetary benefit, and this is evolve with your users. If this is something you are looking for, just go ahead and I put the link in the description box. So next update, I would say a bug coming from the AI search mode is when you search anything on the AI search mode and you click on this reference links, right? And whatever AI mode is referring a click from their search mode, it's referring as a no refer. That means in your Google Analytics, it terms as a direct traffic, not as a organic traffic. So let me demonstrate it. This is what I've searched on. So these are the links that is embedded in the AI search. If I inspect that, click on this link, and if you see the tag here is no opener, no referrer. That means if any search traffic you are getting from the AI search mode, it will be termed as a direct traffic. So if it is a direct traffic, then how you can measure that? So it's a bug that is recognized by the Google. As you can see from the John Mueller, we are currently considering this a bug. So I expect it to be fixed. Sorry for the detour. That means it will take 3-4 more days to get it fixed. So don't worry, it will be regarded as organic traffic in the upcoming days. Going forward to the next is about the search engine volatility. It's not coming to end and it's still on the up higher side. So since the last video of episode number 1, which I showcase all the previous volatility, and it's actually the same. Now it's still in the higher range, but on 20th, 21st, 22nd, it was an earthquake. If you are witnessing a huge spike in traffic or huge low in traffic, don't worry about it because there's earthquake is happening right now. That's it about the updates from the last week. So I hope you get a lot of information about the SEO updates which has happened on the last week and all the takeaways that I included in this. If you like to be part of this journey in the future, do consider subscribing to this channel because it will boost our morale to post more and more videos and information like this. So that's it for now. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.